Guys, there's currently 30-mile-per-hour gusts. Let's get into this. This is good riding weather. Yeah.
Hey guys, today we're gonna show you one of the best trails in Palmdale, California.
Yeah, the trail's called Oh Yeah, but the only thing is we're currently out here in like 30-mile-per-hour wind. Let's get to it! Let's go!
It's so windy, I feel like I'm gonna fall over. I need to tell you. Oh my god! Remember, if you come to this trail, that if you see any splits, every single time you're gonna go right. And you're gonna stay on, oh yeah. Holy! I'm not doing that. Here's a tunnel tree.
Whew. Wind is pushing me.
I'm not sure if this is headwind or not, but this is like, oh my god! Holy! Back wheel was locked on that turn. Oh, was a close one. Like so much air going into my mouth. You would think if there's air going into your mouth, you would still be able to breathe. Here's a berm. Wow. Ah! Wow, that's ruddy. Oh, that's a cool option line there. Oh, there go my hands. Ow! Ah, I cannot do anything about this. Ow! Also wear gloves. Ow! Back wheel is locked for at least an eighth of the entire trail. Oh my god. Does it matter which way? Okay, let's just go this way. Here's the back wheel lock again. Wow.
Oh my god.
Wow.
That was insane!
This was so crazy in the wind. This trail is so good when there's no wind. In the wind, it's
just that much better. It's that much better, guys. If you guys want to come ride this trail, we'll leave a link in the description below. Go click on it. This trail is amazing.
sick, boy!